Hello, my name's Raquel Gunkel, and I'm here to talk about this amazing tool that I just found out was here for us. And it's free, super easy to use. So it's the New York Times Learning Network. So for English language arts, there's so many different options that you can look at. Like they created a curriculum for middle and high school for this year. If someone wanted to follow that, there's a lot of different things going on. You can use picture prompts. They just offer lots of tools for us to use for free. And there's even more down here. But the two that I'm going to talk about today are these two, the Unit 2 Teaching Narrative Writing with New York Times and the Student Contest Calendar. So if we click here first, you can see, this is a great picture. I love that. That they provide prompts, and I love this. So student opinion questions. So I'm thinking as an English teacher, you could use this for a warm-up exercise, or even you can incorporate this into your content and what you're teaching. So questions like, do you hold grudges, or do you consider your siblings friends? So if you're reading a book about siblings, you can add this to your warm-up and they can start thinking about it for themselves so that they can relate to the book and things like that. They also have picture prompts like this. And then there's one more thing I wanted to talk about here. So yeah, here's one of the things. So they have narrative essay contests. So you could choose one of the essay prompts and assign it as homework, or you can assign it as your actual assignment, things like that. And they even have lesson plans here with essays connected to it. And I saw that they also have mentor texts that you can use as well. So here's that. And your students you can even leave them here and then tell them to look around and do something that they want to do, so that keeps them really engaged. And it's super efficient because they already have things for you, lessons for you to teach. And then this is also what I think. I think this would be a great assignment. So there's they did a student contest calendar, so each picture has a story along with it, and they have all these different writing contests and things like that, so they can even look around. You can tell your students to go here, they can look around and do one of those. And I don't know, I just think it's amazing. I think it's great that they allow us to use this free website to look around. Oh, this one. Okay, sorry, one more. I promise this is the last one. 19 Ways to Teach the 100th Anniversary of the 19th Amendment. So if there's something big going on in the current world that you want to bring your students' attention to, you can come here. And ideas for teaching women's suffrage. So here's a bunch of different ways that you as a teacher can do that for them. And they do that, I think, every week. They have a new one. So yeah, it's a great way to bring the current world into your teaching. And it's efficient and engaging, that your students will love it too, because they'll be able to choose what they want to do instead of being told what to do. So yeah, here's that tool. I hope this was helpful, and you should just look around because it has some great things to use. Have a great day.